Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our topic in mathematics today is surface area and volume of a cube. Let's first understand what you mean by surface area. Surface area is basically the area of outer part or uppermost layer of an object, which means that, for example, if you have a three-dimensional object like a sphere or a cube or a cone, the area of the outer part or each of the faces or surface of the shapes is called its surface area. Let's now study how you can calculate the surface area of a cube. This is a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional object having a height, a breadth, and a length. All the sides of a cube are equal and we can denote them with the letter L. Let's suppose that L is equal to A. Now, before calculating the surface area, which we said is the area of all the faces of a shape, over here we have a cube and we know that a cube has 6 faces. So the area of each face will be A multiplied by A, that is A square. This is the area of one face of a cube. We will add up this area 6 times to get the surface area of the whole cube. The total surface area of a cube will be adding up area of all the 6 faces, that is adding up A square 6 times, and we will get 6A square, which is the formula for calculating the surface area of a cube. Let's see an example. A cube has the length of each side equal to 5 centimeters. Find its surface area. Now over here, by recalling what we just studied, all the sides of the cube are going to be equal and we will label them with L. Or we can also say that L is equal to 5 or A is equal to 5. You can name the sides with any variable you want. We have taken the variable A. Now calculating the surface area with the help of the formula, that is, the surface area of a cube is equal to 6A square, which equals to 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. We have replaced the value of A over here and we will get our answer 150 square centimeters. Over here, you must remember that since we are multiplying 2 dimensions, so the unit over here is going to be centimeter squared, or you can also write meter square if it's a bigger measurement. Now let's see how we can calculate the volume of a cube. First, let's understand the concept of volume. Volume of an object is the amount of space it takes up, or in other words, the amount of three-dimensional space something takes up. In this picture, you can see different objects taking a different amount of space in the kitchen. Each object will have its own volume as it is occupying a different amount of three-dimensional space. Now let's see how we can calculate the volume of a cube. You can see the height, the breadth, and the length is labeled in this cube. We will label each dimension as L because all the sides or dimensions of a cube have the same length. Now for calculating the volume of the cube, we are going to multiply all the three dimensions, that is, V is equal to L multiplied by L multiplied by L. Or we can also say that V is equal to L cube. Let's see an example. A cube has the length of each side equal to 3 centimeters. Find its volume. Now here you can see that this is a cube and we have labeled all its three dimensions as 3 centimeters. As we know that all the three sides of dimensions of cube are equal, let's find out the solution. First, we'll write down the formula, that is V is equal to L cube. We will substitute the value of L, that is 3 centimeters, and we will have V is equal to 3 cube. We can write it as V is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And hence, we are going to get the volume of this cube, that is 27 cubic centimeters. You must remember here that while writing the unit for volume of a cube, you are going to use centimeter cube or cubic centimeter, or if it's a bigger measurement, meter cube, etc. as we are multiplying three dimensions together. It's practice time now. We have given few questions here for you to solve as a part of your math practice. The first question is, a cube has sides of length 7.5 centimeters each. Find the volume and surface area of the cube. You simply have to write down the formulae and substitute the value and find out the volume and surface area of the cube. The next question is, a cube has the volume of 512 centimeter cube. Find the measurement of each side of the cube. Now here you have been provided with the volume and you have to find out the measurement of each side of the cube. By using the formula, substitute the value of volume and you will be able to find out the measurement of each side of the cube. The next question is, a cube has the surface area of 384 centimeters square. Find the measurement of each side of the cube. Here, the surface area of the cube has been given to you and you have to find out the measurement of each side of the cube. You just have to write down the formula, substitute the values, and you will be able to find out the measurement of each side of the cube. Now let's see the answers. For the first question, which was, a cube has sides of length 7.5 centimeters. Find the volume and surface area of the cube. First, we will find the volume. For volume, we will write down the formula. V is equal to L cube. Substitute the value of L, that is 7.5 centimeters, and multiply 7.5 centimeters 3 times and you are going to get your answer. That is, V is equal to 421.875 cubic centimeter. Remember to write down the units properly. Now, for calculating the surface area, we will write down the formula first. That is 6a square. Like I previously told you, you can take any variable of your choice. Now substitute the value of a, that is 7.5 centimeters. We will multiply 7.5 with 7.5 and then multiply the answer by 6 and we will get the answer. That is the surface area of the given cube, and the surface area is 337.5 square centimeters. The next question was, a cube has the volume of 512 cubic centimeters. Find the measurement of each side of the cube. Over here, we have been provided with the volume, that is 512 cubic centimeters. So, we will first write down the formula for calculating the volume of a cube, that is V is equal to L cube. Then we are going to substitute the given values. The volume is given to us and we'll substitute 512 cubic centimeters in place of V. Since we have cube on both the sides of the equal to sign, so if you take the cube root on both the sides, we will get the value of the length, that is the value of L, which is 8 centimeters. So each side of the cube measures 8 centimeters. The next question is, A cube has the surface area of 384 square centimeters. Find the measurement of each side of the cube. Over here, we have been provided with the surface area of the cube. So, by using the formula of the surface area, we will find out the measurement of each side of the cube. The formula for surface area is 6a square. Basically, we have to find out the value of a here. Surface area is equal to 384 centimeters, which we will substitute and write down instead of writing surface area. And then 6 will be transposed on the other side. It is being multiplied with a, so it will get divided on the other side. And we will get a square is equal to 64 centimeters square. And now we can see that we have square terms on both the sides of the equal to sign. If we take the square root on both the sides, we will get the value of a, which is the measurement of the side of the cube. So, after taking the square root on each side of the equal to sign, our answer will be a is equal to 8 centimeters. So, each side of the cube measures 8 centimeters. I hope that from today's lesson, you must have understood the concept of volume and surface area, and you must now be knowing how you can calculate the volume and surface area of cube. Thank you.